we start at Insight with this philosophy that a growth mindset is critical to great outcomes and great support for our clients. We also back that up with investments in training and program development and leadership development and skill development, like that, things like that. But at the end of the day, you just got to get in, roll up your sleeves, and try it. I mean, you just got to get going. And we'll make a bunch of mistakes and we'll fix them. But if we don't get going, we miss the opportunity to help our clients understand how to work this stuff.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
How do you guys do it?
Yeah, it's very similar. We've been deliberate with intent. And I think there's what we found is the opportunities to engage Gen AI has scaled tremendously as we've introduced it into the workplace and environment.
Everybody wants to talk about it.
I think it comes therefore back to with clarity as a leader, what is it that we believe will be most impactful? And so from a strategic intent perspective, we've been very clear on the following. Number one, we run a very large support organization to support customers around the world on multiple platforms that totals over 30,000 people. It's the first place that we have put generative AI and being very intentional around it. Number two, we have a customer-facing organization that's engaging customers on a regular basis. With the speed of technology and how it's landing, it's important for us to be able to train, develop, and provide assets to our people in a very tight time frame so that they can engage with customers. We're finding generative AI is very, very helpful in that. So that speed of time to market, speed of technology adoption within the team, development of the people is actually faster. And then the third is we've isolated core processes where we believe we can take it from X to Y. And we're not talking about 10 or 15 or 20. It's 3 that we're working on. So even, I think regardless of what the size of the organization is, this core principle of leadership of create clarity, generate energy, and then deliver success, I think that's what we're starting to see from organizations that really adopt the technology well.
I would say, I think the only other piece is, and you all love to talk about the CEO has to become a CIO, and scares the heck out of me, by the way. But when you say that, what is clear is that we all have to get way more technically literate. And when we think about what is generative AI, and we have to be able to explain that to our customers. And we have to be able to say, it is all about next best word, next best pixel, next best frame, whatever. And we have to understand retrieval, augmented generation.
Yes, very good.
Okay. Yeah. Rags upon rags, according to Jensen this morning.
Yes.
But anyway, I mean, we have to be able to understand how that all works, and not in great technical detail, but I have to be literate and I have to model it. And then all of our leaders have to be literate in understanding what this technology is and does and how it's going to help.
Well, that just discusses and exemplifies the growth mindset and the learning mindset that you have modeled for your team at Insight.
Well, that's been here for a long time before I got here, but I'm glad it's here because we need it right now.